Hello, in this video, I am going to discuss about stability of gain of an amplifier. Okay, stability of gain of an amplifier. Now we know that uh, for negative feedback, for negative feedback, for negative feedback, one plus AF beta is greater than one. Okay. So if you don't know about the concept of feedback, you can follow my earlier videos regarding the feedback. The description link I will give uh, at the end of this video. Okay. Now you also know that AF, that is the gain with feedback, is given by A divided by 1 plus A beta. Okay. Now if A beta is much greater than 1, then what will happen? This will give AF is equal to A divided by A beta. Since we can neglect this 1 as compared to A beta, that is equal to 1 by beta. Okay, here again I'm writing here, maybe you know, A is the open loop gain, that is gain of the amplifier without feedback. Open loop gain. Okay, open loop gain. Okay, that is gain of the amplifier, gain of the amplifier without feedback. Okay, without feedback network. Okay, and AF is the gain of the amplifier with feedback. Okay, gain of the amplifier with feedback. Okay, so if this is the condition, AF is equal to 1 by beta, that means what? The gain of the amplifier is directly depending upon beta. Okay, and here therefore beta is independent of certain parameters. Okay, independent of parameters such as temperature, okay, temperatures, next voltage variation, okay, gain of the basic amplifier, okay. What is the gain of the basic amplifier? It is A. Okay, A is the gain of the basic amplifier, that means the gain of the amplifier without feedback. So beta, that is the feedback factor. Okay, beta was the what? Beta is the feedback factor. This feedback factor is independent of the different parameters. That's why if it is independent of temperatures, voltage variations, okay, gain of the basic amplifier, then obviously there will be stability in the gain of the amplifier with feedback. Okay, I hope you have understood it. Regarding feedback of amplifier, regarding the concept of feedback of amplifier, I will give the video link in the description of this video. Thank you very much.